Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here, which is the odd one out in this set. So these are letters arranged in a specific order. So let's write alphabet and try to find a pattern. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So let's see the first member MSX. So M, S, and X. So M, if we add 5 letters, we get X. So plus 5. Then if we add 4 letters, we get X. So let's look at the next member L, R, and Y. Now with L, if we add 5 members, we get R. So that checks out. Next we have, if we add 6 to R, we get Y. So this is changed here. Let's look at the other members. Now let's see W. If we add 5 to it, we get C. W plus 5, C. Then we have, if we add 6, we get J. Next member is N. Let's call N. Then we have T. We have to add 5 to N to get T. And then if we add 6 to T, we get A. So the pattern is clear here. In first letter, we add 5, we get next, and in that letter we add 6, we get next letter. So the only different member here is MSX, where there are only 4 letters between S and X. Therefore, from pattern, odd one out is MSX. Answer is option C.